Have you ever wondered what would happen to everything you've worked so hard to build if something happened to you tomorrow? Would your family know where your bank accounts are? Would someone be able to pay your bills if you became seriously ill? Would your loved ones know your wishes? Most people spend decades building wealth, but never spend a few hours protecting it. Today, we're going to talk about how to change that. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Money Smart Basics. I'm Alfonso Brooks, and I'm glad you're here. If this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome. Money Smart Basics is dedicated to helping you make informed financial decisions so you can build, protect, and enjoy your wealth throughout retirement. Every week, we cover topics like retirement planning, Social Security, Medicare, estate planning, investing, budgeting, and practical financial strategies designed to help you create greater financial confidence. Today's topic is one that many people avoid, but it's one of the most important financial decisions you'll ever make: estate planning. In today's video, I'll walk you through 6 essential estate planning steps every retiree should take, explain the key legal documents you need, discuss common mistakes to avoid, and share practical tips that can save your family time, money, and unnecessary heartache. So grab a notebook, because you'll want to write down these important tips. And if you find this information valuable, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Money Smart Basics, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on retirement and personal finance. Now, let's get started. Estate planning made simple. 6 steps every retiree must take before it's too late. Introduction. Have you ever wondered what would happen to everything you've worked for if something happened to you tomorrow? Would your family know where your bank accounts are? Would someone be able to pay your bills if you became seriously ill? Would your children know what your wishes are? Many people spend decades building wealth, buying a home, saving for retirement, and investing for the future, but never spend a few hours creating an estate plan to protect it all. The result? Families argue. Money gets tied up in court. Loved ones experience unnecessary stress during one of the hardest times in their lives. The good news is that estate planning doesn't have to be complicated. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 important steps that can help protect your family, preserve your legacy, and give you peace of mind. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share some common estate planning mistakes that can cost families thousands of dollars and years of frustration. Let's get started. Section 1. What is estate planning? When many people hear the words estate planning, they immediately think it's only for wealthy people. Nothing could be further from the truth. Estate planning simply means creating legal and financial instructions that explain what should happen if you become unable to make decisions or after you pass away. If you own a house, have retirement accounts, life insurance, savings, vehicles, personal belongings, or even family heirlooms, you already have an estate. Estate planning isn't about preparing for death. It's about protecting your loved ones while you're alive and after you're gone. Ask yourself, if something happened to you tonight, would your family know exactly what to do? Section 2. Step 1. Choose the right estate planning attorney. One of the biggest mistakes people make is downloading forms from the internet and assuming they're protected. Estate laws differ from state to state. A document that's valid in one state may not meet the legal requirements in another. A qualified estate planning attorney can help ensure your documents comply with your state's laws and reflect your personal situation. Interview more than one attorney. Ask about their experience. Ask what documents are included. Ask how often they recommend updating your plan. Remember, this isn't just paperwork. These documents could determine who makes decisions for you during one of the most difficult moments in your life. Section 3. Step 2. Create a complete financial inventory. Imagine your family trying to settle your affairs without knowing where anything is. Bank accounts, brokerage accounts, 401ks, IRAs, life insurance, pensions, real estate, vehicles, safe deposit boxes, digital accounts, cryptocurrency, business interests, outstanding debts. Many families spend months searching for assets that their loved one never documented. Create a master inventory. Include financial institutions, account numbers, contact information, beneficiary information, important passwords, location of legal documents. The more organized you are today, the easier it will be for your family tomorrow. Section 4, Step 3, choose the right people. One of the most important decisions you'll make isn't what you own, it's who you trust. Your estate plan requires people to carry out your wishes. These may include executor, financial power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, trustee, guardian if minor children are involved. Don't simply choose the oldest child. Don't choose based on emotion. Choose people who are responsible, organized, honest, good communicators, financially mature, willing to serve. Before naming someone, have the conversation. Ask them if they're willing to take on the responsibility. Section 5, Step 4, the 4 essential estate documents every adult should understand. These 4 documents, last will and testament. A will explains who receives your property after your death. It can also name guardians for minor children. However, a will often goes through probate. Probate is the legal court process that validates your will and oversees the distribution of your assets. Depending on your state and the complexity of your estate, probate can take months or even longer. Durable financial power of attorney. This document allows someone you trust to manage your financial affairs if you're unable to do so. Without it, your loved ones may have to petition the court for authority to act on your behalf. Healthcare power of attorney. This names the person who can make medical decisions if you're unable to communicate your wishes. Living will. A living will outlines your preferences for medical treatment in situations where you cannot speak for yourself, such as decisions about life support or end-of-life care. Having these documents in place provides clarity, reduces confusion, and helps ensure your wishes are respected. Section 6, Wills versus Trusts. Many people ask, should I have a trust? The answer depends on your goals. Generally speaking, a will directs how assets are distributed after death and usually goes through probate. A revocable living trust allows you to transfer assets into a trust during your lifetime. Those assets can often pass to beneficiaries without probate, offering greater privacy and potentially simplifying the transfer process. A trust may also help if you own property in multiple states, have a blended family, want to provide ongoing management for beneficiaries, have a larger or more complex estate. Every situation is different, so discuss the options with a qualified estate planning attorney. Section 7, Step 5, organize your documents. Creating documents isn't enough. People need to know they exist. Store originals in a secure location. Tell trusted family members where they're located. Review beneficiary designations. Destroy outdated copies. Keep emergency contact information updated. A beautiful estate plan hidden in a drawer that nobody can find may not help your family when they need it most. Section 8, Step 6. Review your plan regularly. Life changes, marriage, divorce, birth of children, grandchildren, death of a beneficiary, buying or selling property, retirement, major financial changes. Experts often recommend reviewing your estate plan every 3 to 5 years, or sooner after a significant life event. An outdated estate plan can create just as many problems as having no plan at all. Section 9. 5 common estate planning mistakes. Mistake number 1, never creating an estate plan. Mistake number 2, failing to update beneficiary designations on retirement accounts and life insurance policies. Remember, beneficiary designations often control who receives these assets, regardless of what your will says. Mistake number 3, not planning for incapacity. Estate planning isn't only about death, it's also about protecting yourself if you become unable to make decisions. Mistake number 4, ignoring digital assets. Today's estate may include online banking, email accounts, social media, cloud storage, digital photos, and cryptocurrency wallets. Mistake number 5, never discussing your wishes with your family. Clear communication today can prevent confusion and conflict later. Conclusion. Estate planning is one of the greatest gifts you can leave your family. It isn't about how much money you have. It's about protecting the people you love. Let's quickly review the 6 steps. Choose an experienced estate planning attorney. Create a complete financial inventory. Select trustworthy decision makers. Prepare your essential legal documents. Organize everything in one secure location. Review and update your plan regularly. Here's my challenge for you this week. Take one step. Schedule an appointment with an estate planning attorney. Start your financial inventory. Or review your beneficiary designations. Small actions today can make a tremendous difference for your family tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to Money Smart Basics, and share this video with someone who needs to start planning for their future. I'd also like to hear from you. Have you created an estate plan, or is it still on your to-do list? Leave your answer in the comments below. Until next time, remember, smart planning today creates peace of mind tomorrow. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Protect your family before it's too late. What would happen to your family if something unexpected happened to you tomorrow? Would they know your wishes? Who would make your financial decisions? Who would handle your medical care? Would your loved ones face unnecessary stress, confusion, or costly legal delays? That's why having a will and trust is one of the most important financial decisions you can make. With the UWE Will and Trust program, you can create essential estate planning documents from the comfort of your home, including a last will and testament, living trust, financial power of attorney, and healthcare power of attorney. Don't wait until it's too late. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to protect the people they love. For less than many families spend on a night out, you can take an important step towards securing your legacy and giving your family peace of mind. Click the link in the description to learn more and get started today. Plan for tomorrow. Protect your family. Preserve your legacy.